Okay, Captain FICO, and today we're going to talk about 4 myths to avoid when you're fixing your credit. And if you listen to these 4 things, you'll go a long way here in getting great credit. All right. Number 1, paying off your collection accounts. Don't. As a matter of fact, if you pay your collection accounts off, I am going to have somebody personally throw you overboard. Paying off your collection accounts does not increase your FICO. A lot of people, they have a collection account, they get all this money together and they pay it off and they're waiting for their FICO to go up, and it won't. Why? FICO doesn't care. All FICO cares about is that that account was in collections. Even though it's paid now, it doesn't matter to FICO. Sorry, but it's true. So don't ever pay your collection accounts. You need to have the item deleted. Not paid. Deleted. Okay? So that's your goal. Have it deleted. And if you go to my site, CaptainFICO.com, I'll show you how to get all your negative items removed. Completely. Gone. Forever. But don't pay your collection accounts. Alright, number 2. Disputing online is quick and easy. No. Never, ever dispute online. Okay? That system is set up to fail. It's set up by the bureaus to make it real easy for them and for you to fail. That's the truth. Don't ever, ever dispute online. All disputes, and anybody in the credit repair business will tell you this, has to be done by mail and certified. Right? Don't ever, ever dispute online. Now, if you already have, that's fine, but you're going to have to dispute through the mail. You can go to my site, CaptainFICO.com. There's a link below, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. And it has to be done by the mail, and it has to be certified. All right? And there's a lot of reasons for this. I'm not going to get into them right now, but don't dispute online, okay? Do yourself a big, big favor. All right? Number, what are we at? 3. You can only dispute items that are actually not yours. That's such a huge myth. You want to dispute everything. Even if it is yours. You know that that's your debt, dispute it. Why wouldn't you? You want it sitting on there for 7 years? No. No, you dispute everything. Regardless of whether it's yours or not. It can be removed. Okay, and like I said, go to my site and I'll show you exactly how to remove these. Number 4. Credit bureaus are government agencies. This is totally false. They're private companies. They're for profit. They sell your reports to employers and all this other stuff. There's so many things. So many ways that these guys make money, the credit bureaus, with your information. Credit bureaus are private companies, and they are competitors with each other. So they don't share information with each other. So that's why you'll see on your credit reports, they're never the same. Like Experian, TransUnion, Equifax are always different because they don't share information. So one creditor that you have might only report to Experian. Or that's why you'll see when there's a hard inquiry and it's only on one of your TransUnion, let's say, instead of Experian and Equifax, because they don't share information. And the companies that use them, it costs money to do this. So they might only report to one. That's why you'll see sometimes you'll have a collection account that's only on one bureau. Okay? So be aware of that. Now, go to my site, CaptainFICO.com, and we're going to get all the negative items removed.